How is the process going on about this rescue and operation that has been done since the torrential rain has affected in the major part of the Imphal
area? We were closely monitoring the situation as soon as the rains started becoming severe, and since also we were adequately prepared, we had carried out joint trainings and the coordination with civil administration. So as the news of waterlogging and emerging floods reached us, we quickly responded along with the Assam Rifle columns, and we reached affected areas, and we had started these operations yesterday, so it is now continuous 48 hours, and our troops are committed on ground trying to reach out people and help them out and evacuate them to safer places.
So since yesterday, how many has been evacuated from your point?
As of now, we are trying to reach out to everyone. Of course, we are totally committed into our operations, and as far as yesterday's report, more than 1,000 people, and of course today also we are totally committed. Our focus remains on reaching out to the affected people and the people who actually require the help. So we will reach out to everyone and whosoever is stranded and who require the Army's assistance and help.
So from the Army Engineering Corps, you see, from which area now, as for your coverage of your operation, where are the places, specific places where you have started your operation?
Initially, we were monitoring, as we were monitoring the situation, the Imphal river started flowing above the danger level, and of course the areas around Imphal came under the waterlogging and flooding. So all these affected areas were mapped and they were earmarked. The columns were given the responsibilities and AORs, and that is how we have responded.
Since yesterday, the Assam Rifles along the Indian military has been working under the operation of rescuing the people as well as also in order to stop the water breaches that have been, or the river banks we have been seeing. So how far you have been able to succeed so far?
So far we have rescued approximately a strength of 1,500 persons from Imphal East and West location. A total of 8 columns and 4 reserve columns are there, which are there deployed on ground and helping the people here.
So after your observation during your operation, we wanted to know where are the severe locations where this more flooding, inundation of water is taking place?
Actually, it is because of the various reasons that the bunds or the floods are taking place. But I want to tell you one thing, that this time the preparation were more robust and adequate preparation had been carried out. That's why the impact what the Imphal had seen in last year 2024, the condition was not that severe. So people are there on ground, and they are seeking the assistance, and we are helping them on ground.
And when we really look into the physical existence about these breaches that have been taking place, or the river banks, you see there is no immediate solution for the right being from time, though hard effort is being in order to close that breach area. So how will you make this if you really believe?
As the first effort of the force on ground is to rescue the people. Subsequently, we'll be carrying out the distribution of the relief material in addition to distribution of the medical packages also by conducting various medical camps in the affected area. Thirdly, we will also be helping the state administration in carrying out or closing these breaches on ground. There are 3 to 4 locations wherein these breaches have taken place, so they will be subsequently closed in coming days as the weather will improve.
अरे ये वाला आपका ये अभी के जो उठा लेके पूरा वो तो